Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Pgadmin 4 by connecting to the server with an account that has create rights. This is essential. Once connected, expand servers, open the target database, and select it so you operate in the correct context. Make sure to confirm your privileges. If you lack create, request them or switch to an admin role. Once done, right-click Schemas to begin. This first action prevents accidental object placement and sets the right scope for your schema creation. You now enter the Create Schema dialog and type a concise, descriptive name. Lowercase helps avoid quoting issues later. Then assign an owner. This determines who can alter or drop the schema, so pick an appropriate role and set authorization settings. Before you save, click the SQL tab to inspect the Create Schema statement. This lets you catch typos or unwanted options. Once done, press Save, and Pgadmin will execute the command, so the schema appears under Schemas. You finish by refreshing the database tree and confirming the new schema shows up under Schemas. This visual check is quick and reliable. Next, create a simple test table inside that schema to verify ownership and that objects resolve with your search path settings. If the create fails, check server logs and double-check the role privileges and spelling of the schema name. Adjust the owner or grant create as needed. Once fixed, retry the create and confirm all objects inherit the intended permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.